Hi, I'm Sami. If you're stepping into equity, you really need to talk your walk. The bottom line is that people want to establish relationships with enterprises and brands in the private, public, and nonprofit sectors that speak to them in a culturally and linguistically appropriate manner. Through our team of over 400 certified language and culture experts, URBANDER's Multicultural Navigator can help you produce and transcreate content in 120 languages. Whatever the industry, healthcare, construction, technology, education, manufacturing, renewable energy, banking, transportation, hospitality, you can all benefit by communicating with your employees, customers, vendors, and community partners in their language of preference. The transcreation of content is also a basic first step in establishing equitable pathways for diverse people to have an equal opportunity to access any available resources and support they need to thrive. Plus, eliminating communication barriers helps mitigate risk and improve your outcomes. If you're ready to talk your walk, contact us today so we can get started.